Hi all, welcome to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to check how many are our subscribers and how to check the list and uh, where to check. Like we want to know what is the name of the subscriber. So if any relatives of us got subscribed or is any new person got subscribed to our channel. So if you want to know, then I will show you how to get the list of our subscribers total count. Okay, let's go to the YouTube, and if you go to the YouTube application you do not see the subscribers list, only you will get the number how many subscribers are there, but you will not get the list of subscribers. Okay, for that you need to go to Chrome browser or any other browser you can choose, and once you go there, open a new tab and click on the upper right corner three dots icon option. From there you can enable the desktop site option. So once you check it, it will be look like this. So it will be tick mark is there, so then that means it is checked and the desktop site is enabled. So after that you need to check for a YouTube dashboard login or YouTube dashboard also, you can type it out and you will get this time. These are all the options you will get. From that, pick up the first option, sign in YouTube Studio. So once you click here, if you are already logged into your email address of your channel in this browser, then you will be automatically redirected to your uh, channel only. Otherwise you need to log in from here from the browser itself. So this is my home page of my channel, like dashboard. Since I already logged into my email address via this browser, so it has already logged in, so that's why it has directly taken me to home page. So in your case, if you are not logged in yet, once you log in, you can directly redirect. Otherwise, while redirecting, it will ask you to log in then and there itself. Okay, so after that, once you got this page, just go little down and you will see recent subscribers last 90 days. Last 90 days is the default setting set by the Google. So if you click on the see all option, you need to just minimize it. So this is the last 90 days scenario. Okay, once you come here, last right upper corner, you will be getting the drop down option below arrow mark. Once you click here, you can check for the last 7 days, last 28 days, last 90, 365 days or lifetime also, since the time when you started your channel until date. You can completely check your YouTube subscribers count, be it millions or billions also, no issues. So let me check for last 365 days, or let me go with the lifetime option. Lifetime means the time when I created the YouTube until date. Okay, so these are all the subscription list. What is the subscriber name? If they are having channel, so the channel name will be displayed here. Okay, when they got subscribed to our channel, like date, time and year, and these are the subscriber count of their YouTube channel. So let's say here Syed info is there, the yes icon it is listing. We got the subscriber in October 18 2018, and Syed info channel has 18 subscribers. And even if you want to subscribe to Syed info channel also, we can subscribe from here. Okay, and you can click on the right arrow mark to see more list. Like for page you will be getting the 10 list. All you can change the rows per page also here. If you want to show 50 subscribers per page, then it will be look like this. Okay, these are the 50 subscribers, and from here you can click on the arrow mark, right arrow mark, so 1 to 50, 50 to 100, like that. So every time you need to change the 50 option or 10 or 30. Okay, this is the way where we can check our subscribers count. Hope you got the information which you are looking for, and I'll upload these kind of videos in future more and more, like especially into YouTube channel for especially beginners, where how to create channel, how to get more subscribers, how to get more views, how to complete watch hours, so what are the rules and regulations of YouTube to get the channel approved. These kind of all the details you will be getting in our channel. Okay, so if you're absolute beginner and if you're looking for this kind of information where you will be thinking or you will be in a position to start a YouTube channel, and if you want to learn some basic things or from scratch, like how to create, how to do, what to do, and what are the community strikes, if you do anything wrong then what is the warnings, or uh, warning alerts we get from the YouTube. So these are all the information I'm going to upload in this channel. So subscribe for more information. Definitely you will be getting the right knowledge from me. I will try to upload as many as videos possible with the proper information and the right content within short period of time. Like, let's say, if you are having this kind of information, if you put it in the 15 minutes of video, then it's useless. So within 5 minutes of time we got our information, then that's good. Short and simple, right? Okay, hope you will be enjoying this video. You enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for watching.